On the toe. And they're off as they hit the wall right. Who's it gonna be? Fred looking to the inside. Trying to make something happen. Mark wants to get up there. Mark's not done with his day yet too. He's got that stadium truck. It's his second race here with that. See what he does. Stock Buggy B-Main is on deck. Stock Buggy B-Main on deck. Gary, Colin, Johnsky, Cameron, and our two bumps.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Christopher Fay with a 16-lap 4:10.6 pace, Carson Bowman with a 16-lap 4:13.1 pace, Mark Fabuski with a 14-lap 4:10.3 pace, and Alan Feldman with a 15-lap 4:05.1 pace.
Alright, we got Carson out front, Christopher right behind as they go through the table, through the center section. Christopher's going to try to make a move on Carson right now. Carson's dealing with some last traffic. Oh, Carson hits the cone, hit the quick marshal. Halfway racers, halfway.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Carson Bowman with a 16-lap 4:13.1 pace, Christopher Fay with a 15-lap 4:0.3 pace, Mark Fabuski with a 14-lap 4:14.1 pace, and Alan Feldman with a 13-lap 4:06.4 pace.
Watch double.
Racers, I know you're racing, but I did make a mistake out of habit for the Wheeler B-Main. I'm bumping 3 racers like I discussed. I'm sorry. Top 3 finishers for the Wheeler are bumping. Not 2. Force of habit. 1 minute left in this round. 1 minute left in this round. We still got Carson and Christopher. Christopher and Carson.
The top drivers are
Mark's up in that 3rd spot. Good job, Mark.
4:0.6 pace, Carson Bowman
Nice jump, Gary.
4:11.6 pace, Mark Fabuski
Watch your straight, watch your straight.
14-lap 4:04.5 pace, and Alan Feldman with a 14-lap 4:12.2 pace.
Christopher takes in the last turn away from Carson. Mark finishes 3rd. Good job. Followed by Viper, Fred, Chase, and Kate when they cross the line here. It's going over the rollers right now.
All drivers are finished. Chase Witt's done. The race is completed.